Kevin from SecureMyCargo. So we're going to show our fork straps today. So these are 10 feet long and they're used for going over the top of the fork here and coming straight down into these D-rings. And what that enables you to do is to pull down on both sides, but it doesn't put any pressure on the fork seals themselves and in the springs to push it down. So it's just, the only pressure is coming actually down on the tire. So these actually have Velcro sleeve on them to keep them nice and tidy when they're not in use. But then, as we'll show you in a second, the Velcro comes in handy for lashing up the excess webbing. So we're doing nice and tight here, but you could obviously go over here, probably hook onto there. So we'll give you 10 feet of length to go any direction you want to go with it and give you some excess. So these come with a Cordura sleeve on them. So you put that in between here so there's no chafing of your motorcycle. Now we're just going to come through here. These are endless loop straps. They just go out of the ratchet and then right back into the ratchet again. Leave it a little loose now, and then we're going to come over to the other side. Do the same thing. Like I said, these are 10 feet long. Brake strength on the webbing is 10,000 pounds. The ratchet has a 4,400 pound brake. So the whole assembly has 4,400 pound brake strength on it. I'm gonna then start cranking them down both sides. That way we make sure it's even tension. I feel like it's going to move much. So pretty much we're just compressing the tire down now. And then now we can see we're going to take our excess webbing here. And another key feature that we have on these straps is we went with a double sew here. We don't want to have any issues with over the years. If one of the sews gives out, there's always a backup there. You want to be extra safe with these straps because your motorcycle is usually pretty expensive. So that's how you just lasso that in there. Put the excess webbing right in that Velcro sleeve. That way it's not flapping in the breeze. And then actually it can slap up against your motorcycle and, you know, tarnish your finish. So you don't want to have that happen either. And then my technique is to always actually do a loop, not bundle it up. Because if you bundle it up, it can pop out. So put that on there. And the only final thing you could do would be on the back tire. You could lash it down so that way it doesn't move left or right at all. But we're just going to take this around a block. We really just want to demonstrate those straps. So we're going to take it for a quick spin and show you what it looks like going around a block and how sturdy it is and how not moving it is. All right,